Hey, welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach how to create an app and how to create an application and also game. So not only to show you how to create, but to monetize, to make money from the app or the game or the website by monetizing it by maybe AdMob or AdSense. So we have several ways. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos update. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the screenshot of my phone screen where I created the radio app. So today's video is about radio app. Okay, so as you can see, this is how I decided to design, and I'm going to show you. If you don't want my design, you can redesign your own in a different way. Okay, so here if I play, you're going to see this is the how the app look like. Anyone you click on is going to open and it's going to play. You need to click play and it's connecting. That is connecting. You see automatically it's playing. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next, and I'm going to show you how to put all those logos, how it works. If you want this design, I'm going to show you how to upload those logos. If you don't want, there's several ways. There's a back button up here, so any of the app you play, the radio station you play, you can go back by clicking the arrow back button here. So hit which it will actually take you back to the main page of the game, the app, and select any of the other radio stations. You can add as many as multiple radio station in this app. Okay, so without wasting time, now let me give you the quick example of people who build the same app radio station. So these people don't have to pay for anything, just using free resources, and you're going to make money out of it. So you can see this design looks somehow similar to this one I show you. So this one has logo here, but it doesn't have a country logos. This is how this one look like. So it doesn't matter, your app should be different. Don't bother why your app is not the same with others. The same this type of settings is also there, where you will see the arrow button, the this button icons, which if you click is going to show you all the list of the apps. So we have the same design over there. So now you can imagine this person uh, have 100,000 downloads. Imagine he has 50,000 active users every month. So it's a huge, income out there. So let's go into the tutorial how to make this an app. Okay, first of all, you have to come in here and create an account. If you have, just log into your account and we go to create section. So this is the create section, so you can click on create new create app. That is the create app button. So once you click, it's going to open, and here we're going to put a radio station. Maybe you call it whatsoever you wish. Maybe for me, I can put something like this, the Kelo radio station. Okay, so this is what I want to put as my app name. I copy it and I head to description. You also have to take your time, go to that ChatGPT to write short description for radio station. That is how. And here you're going to create your new app icon. So which I always guide in my video. You need to build a real something, because this is one of the reasons you may be will be getting rejection, especially from app stores. So make sure your app uh your app has a good description. Make sure your app is a app which can benefit people. So that is how it is. Okay, so here we go. Next, here you can select, doesn't matter, you can change the design later on. So here we can go to radio station app. So you can come in here, radio station app, and here you can see it's asking of the source URL of the app. So the next step now, we go to this website where you have free uh, radio station list. Depending on your country, if you're in any country of the world, you can create this app, because once you this website pick your location to show you a radio station in your country. So that is how it works. So like I try to use VPN, so I change my country to United States, and which automatically it shows me only United States radio stations. Okay, so that is how it works. I want everyone in the world to have access to create an app like this. That is if you wish. So that is why I'm trying to explain all this. Okay, so here you can go to any of the station that you want to add. If you want to add all, then you need to take your time and add all the radio station step by step. So now you can see this is BBC. So let me add BBC, and so that we so you're going to wait, it's going to load. Okay, so you can see BBC logo is here. So the it's loading from below. So you can see it has loaded. So this is the interface of the radio station, BBC News. So here you can see this is the up and up down button. So here if you look here, this section where you can see love icon and the volume, so you go to this middle, this one, you click on it, and it's open this way. So you copy, don't copy link, copy the embedded code, don't copy URL. If you copy URL means only from this https, okay, and hyphen slash slash tunein.com. So that is URL. So copy the embedded, the complete code from here. So you head back to, okay, the radio station is playing. Let me stop that. Okay, I'll stop it. So that is how to go about it. So now let's head here, and we put the, oh, sorry, this is not okay, let me go back. Okay, from here I advise, don't select radio station, just go directly here where you click on create an empty app. Okay, go to create an empty, so yeah, let's go to the next section. So here now this we have a new blank app, so now we want to make it an app. So you go to section, and here you go to create section, and here you go to HTML, and here you go to enter direct HTML, and here you go to next. So here you can delete everything here, or just remove only the page content and paste the code which we copied from here. Now the next thing is to write the name of the radio station. So BBC World, maybe All News. So here we go, and we put the name of BBC World News. Okay, so here you save changes, go to the next one, you click create section, you go to HTML again, you go to enter direct. So this is how you're going to do all the process. Okay, so here you copy. After you finish with this, select another radio station. There's multi radio station. From here, go to home. Okay, let it show you other radio stations you can see, so you can go to anyone. Okay, let me pick this. Okay, so It's going to open the same thing. Okay, so you can see the same thing. You go here, it has opened now. So you go here, the same thing. Make sure you copy the embedded code, complete code. That is what I mean. So here you can either remove everything here, doesn't matter, put only the code. Okay, so here you go to the radio station name. Here, copy it. Okay, we'll go back, put it here. That is the section title. Okay, so you save it. Okay, so if you want to be doing section by section and you're going to make sure, maybe if you want to do all after you have added all the radio stations, then you come back to design, or you design as you go, so depend on you. Now this is how to add all the radio station into the app. So now let me go into each of the section customization. Make sure you do the same here. There's nothing much, only to add logos, just as you see mine here has the radio stations logos. Okay, this is how to add the radio stations logos. So that is what I want to show next. So here you go, open the section, it will open like this, and sometimes you won't see the notice here because I click on. You need to go to advanced settings. That is if yours is not automatic open. So this is what to do. Click on the plus icon and go down below. So this is where to put the radio station's name. So simple. If you don't know how to get the radio station logo, you can say this is BBC World. That is World News. You can head to Google and ask for, okay, BBC World News. Yes. So here, this is how to get the logos. Make sure it's the same thing even on this website. You can see this is how the logo look like. So we want to check, or if you can, you know, okay, here, yes, there's option to save image. You can also save this image as well. So I try to come up with some different ideas, depend on you, anyone you want to work with. So this you can see. So you can download one of this and upload. So like this, I'm going to save this, and we move to the next section where we're going to upload the logo. Here I save the download. Yes, doesn't matter. Okay, so here we go next to upload. How you go down below here, you choose the logo. So you can do that step by step. Maybe each of the section you create, you do all you need to do from there. Here you can see the logo. I upload and you save changes here. Okay, so once that done, okay, you go to next section, you do the same thing where we're going to write the same name here. Okay, oh, let's try to save this automatically so that this can actually help behave, so that it will not waste much of your time after. Oh, I think it's not PNG file. So oh yes, it's not PNG file. So this is how to upload. Let me go. I think I have some other logos as an example. So let me pick anyone again. So this is how to do that. You need to find the logos and upload step by step. Okay, here you click save changes. So this is how your app is going to have logos like this. Okay, so here you're going to do the same thing. Create a new section, go to HTML, copy the HTML code from this website, and you head back here, you put it the same process. So once that done, we go to customization. So here you're going to take your time, go to design, and we go to menu. Okay, so menu, if you want to show your app logo like this, so that is what you need to do. You have to put your app logo here. If you don't want, you can remove and save. So that is how to go about this, by this logo here. So that is how to go about it. So here I leave it. I go to menu type. So here, this is where you see my design like this. So this is where I pick this design. Okay, I pick this design here, and you can change color as well from here. If you can select from the list, you go to custom, where you can drag and change the color yourself. You can do many changes from here. You can see here, you do all those changes. That is if you don't want to pick automatic color. Okay, this is customize. You can customize the color by yourself. So as I said before, you can see this is where this app has the app logo, the radio station logo, and you can see country logo. Depend on you. This is where you're going to get that. Increase you can increase columns in the app. So mine, I put two, so that is why you can see I have only two options from here, the logo and the radio station name. So as it is, you click on the logo, it's going to open the app. You click on the name, it's going to open the radio station. So that is how it works. Okay, so after all this customization, you can decide, maybe you want it only one column, two column, three. You can do all those things from there. You can do as so many customization with this app, which your app will look so great. Okay, and so simple, you're going to get users, because once your app is unique and very clean app, so that is when you get more users. Okay, so after finish with this, the next section, after you have done all the customization you need, you can also put a background image, depend on you. You can also put a loading image. When the user click on the app, it's going to show image loading, maybe your logo. You can decide here, you do all those changes. Okay, here you can see my own. Here have only the notification and share button, and which is very important, the share button, so that users can be able to share your app on their Facebook, wheresoever. Okay, so here we go, and we remove the email section and the product. Okay, so no need to search, or maybe you want to add, depend on you. So this is how you do. You click on it and you drag it here, you drop it. Okay, so here I leave it and I save changes. So next, you're going to monetize. We're going to the section where you're going to make money with the app. Okay, so as I always guide, you go to AdMob, create an account. If you don't have, wait for AdMob to approve your account, maybe 24 hours. After that's done, then will get an interface like this to log in, and you can see apps. Here you can click, and here you create a new app button. Here you click, and you're going to put the details of your app. And here, for some of you asking where they can see their this one, where are they going to see their package name. So this is where you see your package name under a general info. You go to name and icon. Here you can see, so you can even change this was given automatically because of the name that was here, so they have generated it itself. So if you don't want, you can change it manually by writing what you want from here. So this is how it works. Okay, so from here you create an app, and you'll be given, okay, this is, so here you can see, you click on Android because our app is Android for Android device. So here you click and here is asking, is the app listed on supported app store? No. So later on you need to come back here and switch it to yes. Once your app is approved on App Store, you come back here to accept yes, and it's going to ask you which of the App Store you added your app. So you need to pick the app store which you put your app. Then AdMob will take its time to approve your app. So as I always guide, I have videos that shows how to put the code there. You once your app is created here, then you're going to create your app ID, and this is where you put your app ID. Here you copy and paste it here, and you save changes. Once done with that, you come back to add. So this is where you're going to put app ID, app unit ID, not app ID again. So here for the banner, you're going to do for all the sections, all the types of art. So once done, you click on save changes, and the next step is for you to download the app and upload it into any recommended app store. I posted it on my WhatsApp group. Below this video you can join the the WhatsApp group. So I show the different the about 4 5 6 supported app stores. So you can join to learn also from the WhatsApp group. We have good users, good students, good subscribers who actually are there for us to help even while I'm offline. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any question, please drop it down. I will be here always to guide and help you guys. Thank you so much, and bye for now.